Our fellow Biafrans, it has become imperative, very necessary for us to seriously discuss issues of Biafra. No holding bars. Eliminating all no-go areas and sincerely discuss Biafra. Now, our senior brother Wazirike rejuvenated the Biafran struggle. And all of us, he came to Port Harcourt, all of us joined him. We gave him our candid advice. And of all the job people, it was just me that sincerely joined him. And I went round with our father, Odumego Ojukwu. You will see several pictures of me and him. At that time, I did not know any Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody was telling me, abusing people. Our resolve was to rejuvenate Biafra and see how Biafra can be achieved. We were doing our own, pursuing and gathering Ijaw people together. But I never lost touch with our father, our senior brother, our Wazirike. So you will see me appearing in his program, and I give him the respect as my senior brother, and I do everything with him. Then all of a sudden, one madman, Nnamdi Kanu, came on board. He wants to be supreme leader. He wants to abuse people. He's abusing people. He's killing people. He's murdering people. He's doing all sorts of things. People say, for the sake of Biafra, for the sake of Biafra, just... And we continue to believe that to achieve Biafra, we must allow this demon in our midst. He sent people to me to train. I have said it over and over. I did not solicit for him to send people. He was in prison. One of our Ijaw brother who was in prison said, talk to Kanu, talk to... I refused. I said, this guy abuses people. He does all sorts of things. Pipeline, militant, pipeline. If I don't protect the pipeline, get the money. Who will protect the pipeline? What is he doing? He's collecting money from gullible and vulnerable Igbos. Which is your person contributes to my cause? How do I sustain my cause? They think I'm other people. When they talk, they will shy away. So, which pipeline am I protecting? He has a group of idiots, devils. Their own is to abuse people everywhere. Find out. Look at the trend line. They're abusing you. And that is the way they want to achieve Biafra. And then they threaten people as if they are the only people who can kill people. There is this Chinasa. When they will visit, come with them. I will kill you personally. I told Nnamdi Kanu now. This is the same way I said about Nnamdi Kanu about 2 years ago. My videos are there. You think I'm running away? I told him I will smoke him out. I will kill him. It's not mouth when you talk blah, 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 blah. You can go and do that with other people, not with me. As you see me, you can call me pig. Pig eats snake. Pig eats snake. Have you seen pig eating snakes? Have you seen pig eating everybody? Have you seen pig eating cobra? That's how I'm going to eat you people up. You call me a pig. Oh, you don't know what pigs are. You stay and you abuse people. You call people all sort of name. How much do they pay me? They will pay me as much as they pay me so that I will kill you. Because I'm going to kill you. I'm going to hunt you down everywhere. I'm not just going to say it. I will help everybody. Because the Southeastern governors are afraid of you and they have entered their house. People cannot go to anywhere. You go, you take people, you kill them. So you have right to kill people. You have right to kill people. So those people in Ebubago, they are not Igbo people. It is only you who is Igbo. It is only you who is Biafra. It is only you who have the right to kill. Me, I have the right to kill you. I will kill you. I will hunt you down. I will look everywhere you are and I will kill you, be killing you, be killing you. I'm not waiting for any government to come and assist or anything. Me, I will kill you. Whenever you say something, I tell you. You say there will be no election in Anambra. I said there will be election in Anambra. Was there no election in Anambra? And I'm going to make sure that this evil you have brought, sit at home, that you have brought in our land, stops. Anybody who wants to close shop can go and close shop. But anybody who force somebody to go and close shop in Igbo land, I'll kill you. Listen to me. I will kill you. I will hunt you down anywhere and kill you. I am not other people who only talk about this thing. I am not other people. I will look for you. Anybody who is an Igbo man that is allowing IPOB member around him to survive must have his head examined. These people are destroying us. They are destroying us. They are in America making money. They are in Europe, Germany making money. They say you should not go to the shop. Your children should not go to the school. They said there will be no Christianity. I just watched a video. One of them said 2022, they are going to look at Christians and deal with them. That type of Christianity will not exist in Igbo land again. They said they want to kill me as a Muslim. They will kill Muslims. Well, now only you fit kill. When it comes to me, now me go kill you. Inshallah, I'll kill you. When Isbullah and Isbul Shaitan meet, Isbul Shaitan will always well. Huh? I'll kill you. Be writing. I'm the most funniest man in the world. Yes, I am. Chidera, pig, they eat snake, so no come, I go eat you up. Eat you up. You go about doing these things. Everybody you want to kill. Because they are afraid of you. Afraid of you for what? That you are who? You are super who? You now eat our fellow woman, your fellow brothers and sisters, eat them, cook them and eat them. You cook them and eat them. For what purpose? Why would you be cooking your fellow brothers and eating them if you are not demons? If you are not demons, why are you eating our brothers and sisters? Emenike, my days are numbered. Where you'll be hiding on Facebook and say my days are numbered. Come now. That they wait for you. Me, they walk up and down. No, they hide. Tell somebody, say his days are numbered. It's your days that are numbered. Though. I'm 58 years. It's your days that are numbered. Nnamdi Kanu people, when he was arrested, appealed to us. Please, let all of us be on the same page. Let us not come out and make trouble. Let us not talk against Nnamdi Kanu. They talk to me, they talk to Azuke, they talk to Miomio, they talk to everybody. And we all agreed. And what I told them that time, I said, this one you are telling us, are you going to put your people under control? Will your people not come out and be abusing us? They say, no, they are going to reach out. I said, I cannot keep quiet when people continue to abuse me. When they are arrested, these people are so funny. Oh. They arrested in Walaikum Salam Hassan. When they arrested Nnamdi, they said I was the person that betrayed him. I wanted to talk. Everybody said, don't reply them, don't reply them. A journalist called me, BBC, everybody, that they said you are the one who set him up. Don't talk. I left. They kept on talking. And I now said, I am the person. Yes, I accepted. Because I told him, I'm going to smoke him. Oh, that's the one they are flying up and down. So the one you accused me before. So the first time you accused me, you didn't know I was the person. You are lying. Now that I said yes, I promise I will smoke him out. It's now you realize that it is me. Yes, now me smoke him out. And I go smoke every one of them. And I won't say I don't go smoke on her. And I go kill on her. Now kill, I go dey kill on her. So, who be nightmare? Now me be nightmare or him be my nightmare? Me I dey waka free in the prison, him be my nightmare. I know English don't get it. Walaikum salam, Nasiru, Tiger Bass. So all of a sudden, he go smoke me, him be my nightmare. When, alhamdulillah, Jazakallahu khairan. So is now he wants to smoke me, is my nightmare, Is now is my nightmare. He's in prison, crying. I am free. Walking. I am free walking. So people just accept your abuses, forget they are so afraid to engage you. You have dislocated and destroyed the whole of Igbo land. Go to Imo State, go to Ebonyi, go to Anambra, go to Enugu. They have destroyed. Abia, its own state, is the only one that has a little security. Why is it leaving Abia, its own state, and destroying other states? They will say we want to use divide and rule. Go to Abia. Abia is peaceful. They don't even do this sit at home in Abia. In Umuoya, they don't do sit at home in Umuoya. But sit at home must be in Onitsha. Sit at home must be at Inewi. Sit at home must be at Oka. Sit at home must be at Owerri. Sit at home must be at Osu, where they gather, they eat people, they kill people every day. Sit at home must be in Enugu, it must be in Ebonyi. If anybody talk, they kill them. The life of Igbo people had become so cheap in the hand of Nnamdi Kanu and his demons. In the hand of Nnamdi Kanu and his demons. You are a billion bastard, Emeka. Every time you have been boasting all your life. Every time you have been boasting. So they unleash you cockroaches. Nnamdi Kanu unleash you cockroaches and maggots. You abuse people, everybody you abuse, and then idiots will come and beg the people, just leave them alone. Leave them alone to bring out Nnamdi Kanu for what? For the people that he's killing. For the people that is killing. You take him Poromiri, then eat the flesh of our people. You accuse their governors, they are afraid. They cannot talk. If you lie, say everything you want to say. Look at pipeline security. The money you are collecting from innocent poor people everywhere. If you hear the testimony, from first-hand testimony from the mouth of people, what you are doing to our people, what these evil men are doing to our people, do they have hearts? You take traditional rulers, you shame them, you put gun inside their mouth from your own videos. The traditional rulers are not the people who are not allowing Biafra to come. They are the people who had connived not to allow Biafra to come. So you take traditional rulers, you put gun in their mouth, you cut the head of one traditional ruler, you put on the lap of the other. You catch our brothers, our sisters, you rape them every day. You make them sex slaves in your camp. You make them sex slave in your camp. Nnamdi Kanu remain as a Apostle Ben. You are saved. Mere agitations. It has gone beyond armed struggle against the Nigerian state. This struggle is now against us, our people. They are killing us. They are taking our life. They are destroying our values. They are destroying our economy, our livelihood, our very means of survival. And we are clapping for them. We are pampering them. We are doing CCCC with them. If we do it, before June this year, Igbo land will become a desert. Igbo land will become a desert. God has already punished you. Prince James, okay, he has already punished you. He's punishing you already. He will punish you until you die and you go to hell. So these are the things. You are pampering them. The monster is growing more horns. Growing more horns. Like they say, Faleswa. He's growing more horns. And he's going to be there. Destroying. until Igbo land will become a desert. People will flee. Wherever you go to, people will be telling you to go back home. You become vulnerable because he has also destroyed your relationship with all other people, with the Yorubas, with the people of, with other Biafrans, with the Northerners. So you don't even have any place to run to. Wherever you run to, you become a suspect. People look at you and then you fall into discrimination. This is the worst page that is being opened for Igbos in the book of the history of Igbo land. The worst page is what Nnamdi Kanu has opened for you. Northerners had ordered you to leave before. So now you'll be running there. Your Lagosians have told you that you'll be consuming the desert. The Oba himself said it. All of us came out against it. Now Nnamdi will make you. Nnamdi said he's the one who said they destroy Tinubu's house. They should kill Tinubu's children. They should kill this. Now you go there. They'll be looking at you. He's the one who came, abused that he put this thing on this thing on Wike's head. It's going to catch Wike. They should, anywhere they see Wike, they should kill him, they should catch him, they should do this. Now it's coming to you people. When Igbo land now is becoming unbearable, you run to, everybody will get to go. Ikwere people are waiting for me. You don't know me. Be talking. All those people that are talking, when after they make noise, they come back and beg. You don't know them. We know they hear the man who talk, Asari, we know they fear you. We know they fear you. We know they fear you. Is that the one waiting for me? He knows. When I turn face am, one day say, if he stay for him, if he stay for that in council, In the hear me, even try am. Nobody, not even me. One day say, if he stay for that in council. I know, one day, go fit stay. I know they boast. I say things the way they are, and I carry it out the way they are. Assalamu alaikum, Alhaji Muhammad. So that is it. That is it. It's up to you. It's up to you, Igbos, to make a decision to end this thing before it ends you. Thank you.